instinct to work on classics. I work on Greek classic media. We worked on Shakespeare, Macbeth, and also Tempest, two productions of Shakespeare. Adapted Roy, a French play. Also, contemporary classics like Panikar's Pornadi or Karinkutti. So these productions are there. I cannot say all these productions are in the same style of